Hey, we are SeaScape Solutions. This is development that helps the environment. So the problem is that marine ecosystems are under threat due to development and climate change. Infrastructure development and at odds with conservation efforts is allowing integrated solutions and it's a need for synergies for development. So our mission is to help governments, businesses, and scientists to work together to build a greener future by planning and creating environmentally friendly projects. So our solution will be integrated approach to marine ecosystem development management, and we're going to have data-driven decision-making for projects into leverage infrastructure and facilitation for approval of development. So we're going to bridge the gap between environmental conservation and infrastructure. So it's going to benefit governments and sustainable agencies by us taking the weight of environmental management, private companies with infrastructure development by closing the gap between ecological needs and government correspondence, and science directives by research opportunities of habilitation. So our approach will be that current consultancy firms only provide impact assessments, and we will have a more proactive approach instead of reactive. We're going to be specialists in marine infrastructure management, and we're going to leverage infrastructure for restoration projects. So this will be validated by biodiversity certifications, profitability and reduced costs, case studies, for example, achievement, environmental goals, efficiency and time reduction, and increasing biodiversity in these areas. So our competitive advantage is integrated approach with marine specialization, data-driven methodologies, and network of partnerships. So this can happen by installing artificial reefs, installing aquaculture, checks for the businesses, reduction of costs, and risk approval for project development. So the expected outcome will be that there's going to be habitat creation, we're going to have fishing opportunities, we're going to install MPAs and regulated zones, we're going to have job creation and co-management opportunities in these areas. So some studies in Malaysia, they drop boulders in the ocean and then coral cover increased by 50 to 49%, and it's an improvement for local fishing yields. In Denmark, wind farms, 60 times more biomass compared to surrounding areas. And in the USA, 50% increase in crab population, and it's a boost in ecology for fish and fisheries. So categories of protection, we're going to have protection technologies to avoid and reduce mitigate impact, restoration technologies to restore critical species, enabling technologies to monitor sensor technologies and research opportunities, and cohesive locations like aquaculture, seaweed, and any additional economic benefit. So our market opportunities over here is that we have a growing need for sustainable marine development. This aligns with the UN and the Convention of Biological Diversity targets, and we have a lot of blue economy incentives where we can develop this idea further, and this will be a good investment opportunity as well as a good niche in the market. Well, thank you very much. This is SeaScape Solution.